If you can only shop from 7 clothing brands for the rest of your life, I'm confident that these are the best clothing brands. Factoring in everything from price, quality, and the fact that every piece that I'm talking about is timeless, meaning you could buy it once and wear it for the rest of your life. I'm sure there's at least a few clothing brands in this list that you will love. Starting with Madewell. Recently, this has been my go-to for quality basics. Nothing too trendy, just items that are actually timeless. I would honestly say that this brand is ideal for the guy who's just getting into dressing better. You don't want overly loud things, especially if you're the kind of guy who doesn't like too much attention, but you like that refined look. This has got to be the brand you check out. For example, the 1991 straight leg jeans. This is definitely one of my new favorite pairs of jeans. Now, I will say this brand is by no means the cheapest, but like I mentioned earlier, this is one of those brands that you'll have these pieces for a very long time. It's definitely worth the money. I got mine in a faded black color, which I will say isn't the most mature look, but I am trying to keep things simple for you. And I get it. You don't want to look too formal. You don't want to look like you're trying too hard. So a pair of jeans like this one is the perfect place to start. In fact, these are currently on sale. And in case you're interested in absolutely anything that I'm talking about in this video, I'm going to have it tagged right below. Another piece that I have from Madewell, easily one of my recent favorite pickups, and that is a denim shirt. I actually got a few comments already asking where I got this shirt. Just know if I didn't make videos about clothing, I would have 100% gatekept this piece. Now, denim shirts are becoming a little bit more of a fashion trend. However, I will say, don't think of this as a fashion trend, but just more so gaining popularity, because denim shirts have always been around, and in my opinion, they will always look good. In my opinion, this gives you more of a mature look while still staying masculine and rugged. A shirt like this makes you look like you work with your hands. However, if you're like me, you just kind of sit behind a computer screen all day. For reference, I got this in a size small and I am 5'8", 170 pounds. This is also a great place to check out their sweaters, opposed to other brands who have textured sweaters or really out there designs, which don't get me wrong, I love. We'll definitely be talking about that later on. Like I said, this brand is definitely a lot more laid back. So a sweater like this one, which is clean, minimal, a little bit more of a slim fit, it's a perfect addition if you're restarting your wardrobe, which I'm definitely starting to do, especially getting into 2026. I feel like I was falling off with style and actually kind of stopped caring about clothing, but in my opinion, you gotta dress like the person you want to become. I strive to be a young, put together guy. Pieces like this will definitely make you look like that. Moving on to the next brand, which is Abercrombie. This is a brand that I honestly don't think I would ever get tired of. And they have a range of different things, from quality basics to really out there pieces that I personally would stay away from. But a good example of a piece that I could wear every single day, and I do, is their jeans. The 90s straight leg jeans is by far my favorite pair of jeans. In fact, I got them in 3 different colors: light wash, dark wash, and even a faded pair of black jeans, which definitely would say should have got them in solid black, especially because I have a similar one from Madewell. These are actually cheaper than the Madewell ones, so if you're on a budget, definitely recommend these. A silhouette like this goes with absolutely anything. You could literally wear any type of footwear, any type of tops, and it will look good. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I was falling off with my style, which meant that I was wearing a pair of slim black jeans every single day. And if that sounds like you, I definitely recommend switching it up. I severely underestimated what a different type of silhouette can do. It can completely change the aesthetic of your outfit, and I've just been loving how these look. Another piece I recommend is a cropped t-shirt. Reason why I recommend this one is because this outfit alone looks so good. Men's fashion is all about proportions, and right now my go-to proportion is a little bit more of a looser pair of jeans with a cropped t-shirt. I guarantee you any guy can pull this off. Makes you look like you know what you're doing when it comes to men's style, but it's still such a simple outfit. I got mine in a washed color, but they also have a ton of different options. And I think the reason why I recommend this so much is because you could find these for about 20 bucks. So you honestly can't say that Abercrombie isn't affordable. Like I said, boys, highly recommend this one. Now, another piece that you could pick up to instantly start dressing better are button downs. And since we're moving into the spring, I know some of you guys live in colder weather, but I'm honestly just so excited to start wearing more button downs, especially linen shirts. So I got this one from Abercrombie. It's more of a relaxed fit, so it's not making you look too formal, but a button down just instantly elevates your style. And one thing about Abercrombie is they always have sales. So if you check their website, if they're not having a sale, I would honestly just save the pieces that you want to pick up and just wait for a sale, because it really is going to happen soon. Moving on to the next brand, which is Uniqlo. It's honestly safe to say that I can't make a fashion video without talking about Uniqlo, but that being said, consider this the vanilla of men's fashion. Uniqlo is honestly nothing special, but it's definitely an essential place to look at. I honestly came up with that off the top of my head, so I thought that was cool. Anyways, my caveat to Uniqlo is a lot of their pieces is really nothing special. So in my opinion, a complete wardrobe filled with Uniqlo items gets boring really fast. However, you can't say that it doesn't look good. My favorite piece is this button down cardigan, which is just a cooler take of a button down because this one has more structure. It's clean, it's sophisticated. I love the dark green color on this. I actually wear this a ton. It's definitely a key piece in my weekly rotation. They also have a great selection of jeans, which I highly recommend checking out because they are more affordable than all the rest of the brands. But yeah, even just looking through their website, if you're in need of some quality basics, you don't want to spend a ton of money, Uniqlo is definitely the place to check out. Okay, now let's talk about Banana Republic Factory. Banana Republic is one of my favorite brands, but the actual Banana Republic brand, very expensive. The factory looks just as good. You are sacrificing a little bit when it comes to quality of materials. And if that doesn't matter to you, if all you're focused on is price, this is definitely a good place to check out. A lot of this stuff is more mature, more preppy. In fact, some of these pieces are kind of grandpa-esque, which sounds like it'll be lame, but trust me, it's really cool. You can make some really good outfits with these pieces. Now, a lot of the pieces that I own currently, they're usually sold out, but I actually just checked their website and here are a few pieces that I do recommend. First one being is the Seed Stitch Sweater Polo. This is a textured long sleeve polo. Looks like it has a beautiful finishing. I would get this in the cream color. This is only $43. If you're the kind of guy who just lives in a t-shirt, they do have some really good t-shirts, like the Luxfield t-shirt. This is a slim basic t-shirt, looks good with anything. Highly recommend this one. The one that I have is a ribbed t-shirt, which I always get a ton of compliments with. This is a cool piece to have because normal t-shirts, they get a little bit boring, but a shirt like this one, the small details really carry a lot when it comes to men's fashion. I recently just checked, this one's back in stock and you can find it for $25. Like I said, boys, absolutely everything is going to be linked in the description. Now moving on into Quince. Now for all my guys overseas, unfortunately, you're going to have to skip over this one, but if you live in the US and Canada, Quince is definitely a spot that you should be checking out. They have luxury materials, but for the most affordable price I've yet to see. For example, cashmere. Cashmere from places like J. Crew or even Banana Republic, insanely expensive, but you can get a nice cashmere sweater from Quince for quite literally half the price. My favorite cashmere piece from Quince is this long sleeve polo. And by the way, if you've never felt a cashmere piece, do yourself a favor, buy one. It feels so soft on your skin. When I first got mine, I was caressing myself for the first day because honestly, if there's one thing that I could recommend this year is invest into better materials. But you got to do a good job of finding places that sell high quality materials without spending a fortune. Like I said, Quince, got to be the spot. The next piece from Quince that I recommend, I've been talking about for years now, and that is the organic cotton fisherman sweater. This has a luxury knitted design that looks so good in person. I get a ton of compliments with this one, and when I tell people that this was only $60, can't tell you how many people just didn't believe me. This sweater is definitely on the heavier side, so highly recommend it if you live in cold weather. I guarantee you a piece like this will get you a ton of compliments. Moving on to a brand that's on my radar to be shopping at a lot more, and that is Mango. I currently have a few pieces, but it's definitely not enough, especially if you're the kind of guy who likes that more refined look. Mango should definitely be on your radar. They also have high quality fabrics and fair pricing. Reason why I say fair is because it's definitely not no H&M prices, but I keep saying it, but investing into better quality material is definitely the move. So a good example is my merino wool polo, which is actually not bad considering this one is less than $100 because merino wool does get expensive. But in my opinion, this is one of the best fabrics you could buy. Merino wool doesn't wrinkle, it keeps you from smelling bad. And come on, who doesn't look good in a polo? I got mine in a green color. I actually got these from Nordstrom, so the links to Mango are just going to take you to Nordstrom. But speaking of Nordstrom, the actual Nordstrom brand, super underrated as well. This, in my opinion, is one of the better spots to find those materials that I was talking about earlier, but for better pricing. Now, because Nordstrom retails so many different brands, it almost looks like Nordstrom just kind of copied some of those designs, but sells them for a fraction of the price. So the piece that I have is a quarter zip. Like I said, we're moving into the spring. A lightweight quarter zip sweater is one of the best pieces you could wear. This one is a cotton cashmere blend. No synthetic fabrics. It just looks good, feels incredibly soft. This one you can find for about $65 on sale. This is also another brand that I went on the website to check out to see if there's any new pieces. And let me tell you, there definitely is. Next piece that I'm looking at is this ribbed button-down shirt. Like I said, absolutely love texture in my outfits, especially in the warmer weather. Since you can't layer, you can't really do too much. Textured pieces is the most simple way to start dressing better. So if you want to look like a finance bro, this is definitely a place to check out. Now, some of these brands were pretty expensive and I get that, but if you do want to see a video about 12 small purchases you can make to instantly elevate your style, I'm gonna leave that right here for you to watch.